Now what I will go ahead and teach you guys is how to deal with smartArt. SmartArt, it will be really useful for your presentation. So what we go ahead and do first is go ahead and go into our smartArt tab, which is right in the top. And now in this part, smartArt is really useful for when you do a presentation. Most of us do include graphs into our presentations, so this is where smartArt comes really handy. So in here it gives you a lot of different types of graphs. You can go ahead and include a list, and after the list it gives you even more ideas. So you can go ahead and try that one, like the process. So basically when you're giving out an example of a process that you're doing, a circle, how about this one is also nice, relationship, or pictures, and other, something else that you want to add. So in this case I did go ahead and add this one. We'll just see what happens. We can add up names. So we can start up with the top one. As you can see in the top it has a little squares, meaning that that's what we're typing in there. So we can go ahead and type in names. And then we can go ahead and put maybe another name in here. And then maybe another name. You just go ahead, as you can see I'm just going and clicking wherever you want and go ahead and type in different names. That's how you do a graph with smartArt. Now to change the shape, many of us do not like the squares in there. So you can go ahead and click on here and then just go ahead and click on shape. We might want something different, maybe some stars. As you can see, when different, instead of being square, it's a star now. It's not so simple. Maybe we want a call out. Maybe we want the little bubbly stuff. For different ones, we can just go ahead and click on the different squares and go ahead and type in the shape, whatever you want to put in there. Let's try to put this little ribbon, maybe. Now for this one, we can go ahead and put a block here. Maybe going to the next section. Maybe Joe is going to Carlos. And for Carlos, we can go ahead and add something else. Maybe we can put that one a little plus. Now that one's small. It changes the font depending on the different type of styles you want. Now if you want to change the chart, you can go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and try something else, something different. See how it changes the chart size, how you see it. If you want right-handing, about vertical, you want a horizon, however you want. And if you want to do it to your right, you can go ahead and play with this part. You can also change the color of the graph. You can make it red if you want. And then here it gives you different styles. It even gives you more styles. See, it all depends how you want it. You can go ahead and play with smartArt. It really helps you out a lot in how you want to describe like a graph. So just remember, if you want to add in graphs into your presentation, smartArt is the solution. It gives you a lot of tools and it gives you a lot of ways to make everything more detailed, more explanation. And you know you always want to grab the attention of the listeners. So with smartArt, it will help you out so much.